Hi there! After installation of the Proactive Campaigns app, you may want to enable access only to some agents or give them limited access to the app in your Zendesk support. So let's see how you can do it in two different ways. First, from Zendesk admin section. To restrict particular roles or agent groups from using the app at all, go to the Admin Center and click Apps and Integrations. In the Apps section, choose Zendesk Support Apps. Here, find the Proactive Campaigns plugin. Hover over it, click the gear icon, and select Change Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Installation section, you can configure access. Depending on your goals, check mark Enable Role Restrictions or Enable Group Restrictions. Then, select the roles or groups that should have access to the app. Finally, save the changes by clicking the Update button. The second way is directly from the app. Use it to assign different levels of access to your agents. Open the Proactive Campaigns app. In the sidebar, click the Access Control Management icon. On the top of the mobile window, there is the setting Configure the default access level for the new agents, where you should choose the agent access level upon initial app authorization. In the drop-down menu, we have 3 levels of access. Full Access allows usage with no restrictions for an agent. Agent Access, Settings Restricted, provides full feature access but without adjustments. None Access makes the app visible for an agent, but usage of the app is restricted. Also, you can set the access individually for each agent. Just click on the drop-down list next to the agent's name and select the type of restriction. If this tutorial is helpful, hit the subscribe button and keep up with the updates by visiting our website.